What up, gang? It's Adventure Day today. We are here in Costa Rica at a what's it called again?
Sky Adventure.
Sky Adventure, and we will be doing hanging bridges through like the rainforest jungle. We'll be ziplining and
Gondola
riding.
I don't think it's called that, but that's what I'm calling it.
It's going to be awesome. I think it's going to be a full adventure day with more activities than we've done in one day the whole time we've been here.
Yeah, we had the option to do just the hanging bridges, just the zip line, or just the sky tram, and we're like, let's just do everything. So yeah, this will be a nice day of flying through the trees, and hopefully we can see some animals, some sloths. I don't know, maybe some monkeys, toucans. We'll see, I guess.
It's going out with the bang. We're doing all the cool adventure stuff, and we're going to take you along with us. So get ready, stay tuned, and come on an adventure with us.
Let's go. Are you excited?
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
Pretty pumped.
We're gonna fly through some trees.
Yeah. Big day.
Big day.
All right, my friends, so just in case, don't forget the instructions. Once you feel the cable shakes like this, move the pulley back, forward, slow, strong. Open your legs before you get at the end, and that's it. You will be okay.
Oh, great.
Right, and there is a black mark here. Go with your hands outside of the table, okay? Sit down, please, right position. Arms straight.
Oh, gosh.
Sit down, please.
Get down on the next one.
Lean back as much as you can. Cross your ankles and bend your knees close to your chest. Like that. You're doing very well. This way, my friend. Stand up here in the second start. Good. Your hands here. Sit down, please. Lean back. Arms straight. Bend your knees higher.
My friend, stand up. Thank you.
Nervous?
Yes. This looks way scarier than rappelling.
You got it?
Okay. It's gone.
Into the mist.
See ya.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Ako dito.
That's cool. You're gonna throw up some. You can do it.
At least I should see this one. Oh, all the way. Oh, okay. Help me.
I love you. Adios. Awesome. We do this all day long. I'm fine. All right.
Bye.
Whoa. GPS. If you fall, we're gonna find you.
Did you say if I fall, they'll find me? Don't say that. faster than the other one. Hello. Oh my god, I was flying. I was trying to stop it. I couldn't get to go. Oh, thanks. Gio put this on me and he's like, GPS, in case you fall, then they'll find you. I was like, what the fuck?
This is my last will and testament. If I fall, you can have all my stuff.
Thank you. Chuck those legs up, Michael. Quit trying to muscle it. Straight arms. Just relax. Just relax.
Don't break, okay?
Okay. Oh gosh. Thank you. Oh. How's it going so far?
What?
How's it going so
Oh,
far?
it's absolutely awesome.
Loving
It
it?
is higher and faster than I thought it was going to be.
Way faster, way higher.
is like-
The first one they call oh my god, and you know why? Because as soon as you get across the first set of canopies, it just opens up into a massive valley, and you're like, feels like 1,000 feet up.
You know what really gives me the
I said
heebie-jeebies?
oh my god the whole time. Wow.
This cable right here is all frayed. Look at it.
That's not one we're using. The one above it is the one that people are going on. Anyway,
Anyways,
what do we have left? We have 2 left?
2 left.
Excellent.
Excellent!
That was cool.
You like it?
Yeah, half of it. Yeah. My eyes are watering.